What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it today. I ended up taking 3 trades. I'm extremely green because all I did was play my key levels. Before we get into today's video, guys, our holiday special has started. The monthly memberships are $49.99 a month, as well as the yearly subscription is $2.99. If you'd like to be a part of it, link is in the bio. Let's get into it. So, first things first, guys, if you are a part of my morning live stream that I do every single day, Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes before market open, I gave you guys a couple key levels. The first key level we're watching is 462. That was the previous close. We ended up having 461.55, which is the previous support of yesterday, as well as 460.70, the previous support as well. Once we opened up, guys, and this big deep red candle happened, we are approaching my key level 460. The reason how I came up with this level is yesterday it was previous resistance, then we made it support, and then we made it support again, and we skyrocketed. So once we came back down to retest the previous support, this is where I ended up going very heavy in calls. I had 200 contracts in calls and ended up having 34 contracts in my funded account, okay? No, I didn't. Sorry. I ended up going 14. I use a separate account for this. So I ended up getting calls and longs at 460.70, guys. I'm going to show you the funded account that I got, guys. Ended up $2,300 on the day. And then my big account was up over 4,000 on the day. Of course, I wish I held, but you know what? When you size in appropriately at a key level, you're able to get out quickly. I anticipated a massive move that was going to happen, okay? We had a big overreaction to the downside. It hit the previous support of yesterday, so I hit the calls here, and we rode this up. If I would have held this all day today, guys, I honestly probably would have been a 6-figure day, but you know me, I size in big and I get out as quick as I can. So that was trade number 1. Trade number 2, I don't know if you'll be able to tell here, but I ended up getting puts on this candle right here. It was a SNIPE put. I ended up making money on this trade, and the last trade I ended up doing on my 300K funded account was I ended up getting calls, guys. When this was selling off towards the end of the day, a lot of people were banking on puts, and they kept loading puts. This isn't a crash. And as I told everyone this morning in the morning live stream, the best level for puts is going to be 464.72, the last gap that we have on SPY. So many people lost money today chasing all of this. Look at the key level I gave you guys. Well, not even give you. That's just the previous close. I said if we hold previous close as support, we are going to run to fill the other gap at 464.72. We had 3 wicks of support at 462. This is a floor. This is a support. And look what it ended up doing. This was a stair climb, elevator ride all the way up, right? And look where it is right now. We're almost filling the gap currently. So moving forward to tomorrow, we don't have too much key levels up here, guys. So the major one, the absolutely major key level you're going to want to be watching is 464.72, the last gap that we have on SPY as well. Tomorrow, shout out to Options Doctor for posting this. Jim C posted as well, and Dimitri. We got the core CPI month to month. We got the PPI month to month. We got crude oil. We have the FOMC minutes coming out tomorrow, guys, as well as a conference at 2:30 Eastern time. Tomorrow is going to be extremely volatile. I highly recommend if you were going to take off one day, it would be tomorrow. Let the news come out, let it all settle down, and then we will make a trade. But for right now, the best level we are going to be watching is this gap at 464.72. I have not added to my SPXS yet. I will be tripling to quadrupling down that position. I'm just going to wait. We are very close to all-time highs right now. Very close, guys. I am going to be paying very close attention to how we react to this gap. If we use this gap as a support. We will most likely hit all-time highs. We're so close, and as well as telling everyone in the Discord, guys, like, we came this high for a reason. We're going to fill the gap. There was no point of buying puts today. We were so close to the gap. The gap is going to close. After that, guys, look at this. We barely have any room left for key levels. So if the gap acts as a support, I'm not, first of all, I'm not even playing calls. I'm just going to be watching all-time highs. Once we get into uncharted territory, guys, I'm not trading. I have to use the previous day's data, and we'll just be sniping. But we are approaching levels right now. The market is way too bullish for all the news that is coming out, and I have a feeling everything is priced in. Just like this morning, we had news today, CPI. It was as expected. And look at this sell-off. Do you know why? This move was priced in. And then tomorrow, FOMC is probably going to be bullish again. And guess what? This move is most likely already priced in, and I could see a downfall. So the only levels I'm going to be watching to start off with is 464.72. As I said, if this becomes a support on the 5-minute time frame, peace. I'm not trading, turning my computer off. I'll let the day do its thing, and then I'll come back to trading. But this is a great level to be watching. The next level after that, we have a previous floor support at 462. This is another level to be watching. If you end up getting puts and writing it down, you're most likely going to want to sell at 462. After that, guys, the same levels, 461.55, 460.70, where we caught calls today, and then 460 flat. That's all I'm paying attention to. I will be live streaming in the morning. We will be going over the FOMC minutes. So my game plan will change towards the morning after we get all the news coming out. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. We're 5 subscribers away from 1,100, which is crazy. I'm truly thankful for you guys, as well as this episode number 2, guys. The link will be in the bio. Please watch that. I would like constructive criticism. So if you're bored or something and have something, you have some downtime, feel free to listen to that, guys. The link will be in the bio. If you would like us to talk about new topics or what we can do better, please, link is in the bio. Holiday special, links in the bio too, guys. Thank you guys so much for your time. I appreciate it. Let's kill it for the rest of the week. Remember, just because you are a day trader does not mean you have to trade every single day. Wait for the best setups. Do never, never, never go green to red. Take your profits, shut it down, and live to see another day, guys. Take care, everyone.